I am also selling stators. These are state-of-the-art stators. They're the ones that are excess, and I'm selling these to DIYers. You can buy these. Now this is what they look like. I think I've got 5 of them. Possibly less, I don't know. But I can tell you that I've got that many. And these are available. They're cut, they're designed, and the people that buy this, I will give the instructions on how to use them. The wire goes in these slots. There's special bolts that go in here, and I'll explain the reason for that. That's very important. But these are for 11 3/4 inch generators. These are designed and will give you zero-cogging and high power. And I will give you all the information you need. If you buy these from me, and I only have a few of them, this is the ones that are being sold. So if you want to buy one, give me a call and I'll get you one and you can buy it.